Up here. Good, my brother. What's up, Zicky, Guara, Ben? What's good, everybody? What's up, Joker? What's up, TechBots? What's up, Claudian? We mooning? Are we pumping? Cairo? The news was not that huge, and that's okay. You good, bro? I'm good, man. Good, good. Not used to this time for stream? Me neither, brother. I don't really stream this time ever. This is like the only day I stream at this time. Usually we stream morning session, right? But today is an exception because it is FOMC. Where the manipulation stage on the weekly be going to get to all-time highs. I mean, that would be great because I'm in some stock positions that I would love to close with some good P&L. Good afternoon, brother. You just took 2 losses. 2 losses? You took 2 losses, bro? What time, bro? Every news event will push the price up. Are you going to trade today? No, I just came to say hi, bro. Easy. No, we're trading FOMC. That's why we're here. What's up, Chooch? What's up, GatieTrades? Are you a full-time trader? I don't know. What's your definition of full-time? I do this every day. That's what you're asking me. Do I make full-time consistent income to pay all my expenses? Well, I guess you could say yeah, because I don't have that many expenses, but no, I don't make sustainable for the rest of my life income yet. Are you trading on your fundeds? Yeah, I'll be trading on my fundeds. Some funded, some evals, you know, like to mix it up. Entry at start of PM session. Nope, I don't trade till 2:30. My Forex? Nothing, bro. Just haven't been trading it that much. It's really hard. It's really hard to find time to trade Forex. I'm just trying to focus on futures right now. You Arab? I am Arab. I haven't even looked at the charts yet. You know, Namaz, no idea who that is. What's up, shooters? Morning. It's 2 p.m., bro. It's no morning. It's 2 p.m. My goal is to drop out of high school. It's a pretty bad goal if you ask me, brother. If you can't even finish high school, bro, just finish high school. It's high school, man. Just finish it. You know? Just finish it, brother. Mark my words to the moon. I'll remember you said that. I'll remember. I don't know. I don't know if I'm bullish, to be honest. I think I'm gonna be bearish. But we're just gonna wait till 2:30. No point in making predictions yet. Aren't you scared for Powell speaking? That's why I'm here, brother. I want to trade this volatility. Obviously, it is more risky, right? But when is FOMC? Well, the first news candle just came up. But 2:30 is when volatility will kick in, and we look for kind of a real move. Do you think trading will get patched in the near future? What, bro? Patched? What? What do you mean patched, bro? What's up, Qual? No, I'm bearish, bro. I think I'm not gonna make any final calls yet, but I think I'm bearish. We'll see what happens at 2:30. I mean, the way this printed, the bullish candle. I mean, we could see something like this, maybe. You know, I think that's possible, but we'll see. PO3 weekly bullish. I think the draw is lower, but I mean, I don't know what you see on the week to see a bullish PO3. It looks like Monday might be high of week. No trade today? I don't know. I don't trade morning session. FOMC lets you heads or tail strat. We long tails. Long tail. Wait, strat. Heads we long, tails we short? Hell no. Maybe you can take some, maybe? Yeah, I'm gonna wait for 2:30. Look to trade the second leg, FOMC. And for the most part, I think we're gonna look for shorts. You live in Saga? Yeah, I'm in Saga. I actually got a post in my gym yesterday. Someone was like, "Oh, you GatieTrades?" That's not what he said, but that's like basically what he said. I was like, "Yo, that is me." I'm gonna see my entry line on Top Step X. Once you enter it, it'll show your P&L tool there. All the charts are set up. Was it kind of cringe? No, it was cool. I don't know if he's a viewer. I think he just recognized me from TikTok. Why 2:30, Daddy? Why can't start a PM session like AM? Because there's news at 2 and 2:30. I want to wait for this high impact news. It's like trading right before NFP. Like, just makes no sense. While looking for shorts when Powell speaks, usually he speaks good of this bad economy. I'm not a fundamental trader. Because of my first payout yesterday. Nice, bro. Proud of you. Say word. Word. KK gang. Area from Milton. Nice, bro. We were at the manipulation led weekly power 3 news push up. Wake up, guys. Maybe if that's how you want to see it, no problem. Don't try to convince other people. Just do it yourself, you know. I think for now I'm gonna be bearish, but I mean, there's still 20 minutes of price action that I'm waiting on, so there's no rush, right? If we go higher, previous day has an objective. What levels? Just previous day high, previous day low, and AM session low. Reach the walls? I'm not reaching the walls, bro. I don't know what that is. I ain't gonna reach it, bro. Do you trade New York PM session? What type of question even is that, bro? I don't know. Like, we're doing it right now. You could also mark out like high of day. See if we get a reversal from there. The back test is the strategy for winning, and it doesn't win, bro. Only loses. What strategy? We shouldn't buy. If you're bullish, then you should buy. Is my webcam like really lagging, or am I tripping? I think I got way too much open right now. You backtested my strategy? You definitely did not backtest my strategy nearly as enough as me, bro. So, what is the equivalent 930 power 3? It's 130. I think it was lagging for a bit, but I think it's fine now. Yeah, looks pretty good. Don't you guys see this? Clodian, bro. If you want to go long, bro, go long. No one else has to go long with you, bro. You can do it by yourself. What do you mean by bullish trader? I never said that. I don't know. What's up, Lori? You're going to trade this PM session? Yes, sir. I did MACD cross on 50 MA with daily buys. Garbage system. You coined that? What? I don't know what you're saying, bro. I've never used moving averages or MACD. I don't even know what MACD is. Are you trading today? Yes. So if it wasn't for news, you would have already taken a trade, right? If there was no FOMC today, I would have traded the morning session. Because there's FOMC, you got to follow your FOMC protocol. Can't really be trading right before FOMC. Which prop firm are you using right now? Alpha Futures and Top Step are my main two right now. Got a nice right short. Nice, bro. Pretty funded right now. 200K right now. The risk reward on this buy. Listen, if you're, I really wouldn't recommend trading anything right now. In my opinion, no, I'm not even gonna say it. I ain't even gonna say it. My window starts at 2:30. My window starts at 2:30. You trading FOMC? Yes. You funded? Yes. What's your RR and win percentage? At Alex, how long should it take to pass a 50K? It all depends on how fast you want to pass. Like, how much money can you spend per? How much money can you spend on evals, right? If you can only afford one eval per month, then try to pass in 1 month. If you're looking to get 2 or 3, evals a month, then increase your risk. Try to pass in 1 or 2 weeks. You know, it doesn't matter how long it takes. It just depends how long do you want it to take. You know, do you want to be aggressive? Do you want to be passive? Do you want to kind of guarantee that you pass, or kind of be aggressive and try to pass quicker? What would you recommend for a live account in terms of sizing? 1%, 1%, 2%. I say 2%. If it was me, I'd be risking like 2 to 3%. I think that 2% is like a good number for me. Is it better to do prop accounts, or cash accounts? I mean, if you have the money, cash accounts, but most people don't have the money. Asking because of FOMC. Are you going to trade? I'm going to be trading, yeah. What would you do? Yeah. Love the Enigma, guys. What Enigma? Put the classic model form? Yeah, of course. You funded with Alpha? Yes, I am funded with Alpha right now. In eval, you risk 1%. In eval, I'm going to be risking 1%. Unfunded, I risk 0.25. What's the best I could read for advice on trading discipline? The best book you could read is Trading in the Zone by Mark Douglas. I don't think there's a better book out there. Is it better to approach trading from a systemic approach or rather than a money approach? Definitely don't do it from a money approach. Would you trade the last hour macro? Ideally, I'm looking to enter a trade between 2:30 and like 3:10. If I don't get anything by then, probably won't find something good. I want to be in a position. You're gonna see the main move happen between that time. So, what is your average win rate in your strategy while backtesting? What year? What month? All time? I need a time period. How do you calculate risk trading macros? Or you just add up the points? Exactly. I add up the points. So if my risk is 25 points, 25 times 2, that's $50 per micro. So if I want to risk 200, then you just do the math. Can you analyze the market for us? If you wait 15 minutes, I'll be commentating everything I see live. Lost 5K because of me. Nice try, bro. I have 80% win rate with a 1 to 1.2. Is that good? That's amazing, bro. That's absolutely amazing. You can genuinely make infinite money with that. 2024 was 75% win rate. Were you live this morning? No. FOMC day. What's your average win rate on risk to reward? In what time period? In live or in backtest, bro? Good job, Bean. Proud of you, brother. Give and analyze for Euro USD. No, bro. You're looking for trades now? I'll start looking for trades in 12 minutes. Just got funded last week. Started this week up 640. Thanks for the free advice. Helped a lot. Cheers. I mean, nice, bro. Nice. 75% in 2024 is very impressive. That's in backtest. I just passed my new funder today. What do I think about Zusi? He has some really good. What makes Alpha Capital different than other prop firms? It's not Alpha Capital. It's Alpha Futures. I can't speak on Alpha Capital. Why is Alpha Futures the best? What makes them different? There's one thing that matters more than anything else for me. With Alpha Futures, when you request payout, your maximum loss limit does not get set to 0. Therefore, you can make the least amount of money on that account and request payout. And it doesn't affect your account. What was their decision? Honestly, don't know and don't care. Do you reduce risk after a loss? It's fixed risk all the way through. It's like 4 PG rates on my stop loss won't be invalid. Also, market maker loss. Nope, no trades yet. Don't you not trade news? I'm not trading news, guys. I'm trading after FOMC. Do you reduce? No, I don't reduce. What's your bias? I don't have a clear bias right now, but I think I'll be looking for shorts. But we'll see how it forms. Still 10 more minutes of data to wait for. Also want to see what 230 does. Damn, we got 400 viewers on TikTok. Everyone's here. That's the reason why I switched to alpha. My eval last week should be getting my payout next week. That's what I'm saying, bro. There's so many people right now trading on Apex or any other firm, and they could have gotten payout on alpha. And mind you, it's a small payout, right? But still a payout, man. If it's your first payout, your first payout's your first payout. Use that money to get more. What do I think about Zusi? He has some pretty good executions. I've never watched him trade live, so I can't say how truthful it is. I don't know if he does trade live or not, but from what I've seen in his execution videos, his executions are pretty good. Seems like he knows exactly what he's looking for. Manages to catch, good risk reward. What do you use to calculate how many contracts? I just do the math. Thoughts of Powell trades? He has also shared some good executions. I feel like, why are you marking out 14? That's the candle we're trading. I've got a payout on top step, but you can request 50%. That's 205 days long. Yeah, it just takes a while. You have to build a buffer. I can't even take it out. Exactly. You just have to make buffer in all these firms. What do I think about the 1 hour? Why am I marking out 2 p.m.? Because that's the candle we're trading. The hourly looks pretty bullish, I guess. Getting up 774 and tells I take a payout to 387. You trade to every CK. Yeah, ideally you want to build a buffer. Why is alpha so goated? I mean, they're not. I mean, they're good. It just depends what your goal is, right? My goal right now is to get a payout as soon as possible, right? Use that money to get more accounts and then scale into other firms. I'm gonna be getting Top Step and other stuff like that. But the first step, in my opinion, is get the alpha payout. I'm not saying only trade alpha. Alpha's the best. Every other prop firm sucks, bro. All the prop firms are good, bro. You can literally trade anyone that you want, you think is best for you. In my opinion, you should do alpha futures first. Use that, get a small payout, use that money to go more. What happens if you get payout with Apex? With Apex, if you want to take $500 out, you have to make $3,100 across 8 winning days with the good consistency rule. It's just it takes way much more. You have to do way more to get payout. On alpha, you have full freedom. Why is bro trading now? Because it's FOMC, and this is when I trade FOMC. So on alpha, I can get a pay after 3 days on alpha with all my max loss when I'm going low. Your maximum loss limit will not get set to 0. Top step, you can request payout after 5 winning days. But the thing is with Top Step is once you request payout, your maximum loss gets set to 0. So you need a buffer on Top Step, realistically. You need a buffer. Your trailing drawdown, with the Apex, it's different, bro. So you have to build buffer on Apex. You have to. You can't even take payout earlier if you don't have a buffer. So your drawdown is going to be good. Your drawdown is going to stay at 2,000 or whatever buffer you have. It's not about the drawdown. For the Apex, you have to get a buffer. What's a buffer? A buffer is an amount that you need to have in your account before you can request taking payouts. Is alpha only good for first payout? No, not really, because alpha in the entire future space, alpha allows the largest payout per account. You can take 15,000 per account. That's more than any other firm. With Apex, you can only request 2,000. With Top Step, you can only request 5,000. On alpha, you can request 15,000 per account. That's obviously more of a long-term thing, but on your first payout, no, every payout. Every futures firm has a max payout per account. Alpha has the largest cap. I'm 200 plus days from my first payout ever. The Tesla Lives account. Good, proud of you, bro. That's you got it, bro. Keep it small and steady, and you got it. Watch TJR, ICT, Zusi, and Gatie. You don't need to learn that much, but it depends where you are. Yes, by Apex you can have 20 accounts. You're right. If you're looking to scale, Apex is good. That would be like my last firm I want to go with. I don't want to do alpha. My personal plan, alpha, Top Step, and I'll probably go into Apex then. That's my plan. Thoughts on CE rejection wicks? That's, yeah, it's a good PD array if you want to use it. You think having a live account better than prop? It's definitely better, but depending how much you can put into it, how much you're willing to lose. You know, Big Shark Trades, he also recommends alpha futures like you. I mean, they have the best payout rule right now, you know? Why not my fund of futures? My fund of futures not bad. It's just I like alpha and my fund of futures. I don't like their payout cap, and what's it called? Pretty much the same. It's like it's very similar to Top Step. To me, Top Step is a little bit better. So there's no point. I would rather just use Top Step than my funded futures. $1,000 is a good start. I personally, for me, if I'm gonna start a live account, I'd want to see at least like 10,000 in it. That's just me personally. You seen FTMO bringing up futures? Yep, I've heard about that. FTMO is also good. I use them and alpha. Yep, if you want to trade forex, you can trade. You can trade that. Yeah, and I mean, in terms of pricing, I think my fund of futures is the best, but I'm willing to put like it's like $20 more. I'm willing to spend $20 more if it means I can take a payout like way earlier. You know. My favorite prop is alpha futures right now. You can request a payout at 2,600 on Apex. You'll just be left with $500. No, you can't, Lori. You can't. You can't request now. You're only after 6 payouts can you do that. Alpha pays via Rise. You can do Rise, yeah. You can request payout at 2,600 Apex. No, yeah, you can't. You need 3,100. Then you can request $500. You need to build 2,600, and you can only take payouts above 2,600. Top Step, you just need 5 winning days. But once you take payout, your maximum loss limit will sink. Are you athletic? Yeah, I'm pretty athletic. No, I've never used TradeX Master. Are you gonna trade FOMC? Yes. I'm about to minimize chat and start trading. We got 600 viewers in here, bro. Damn. Alpha pays via Rise. Yeah, you can put Alpha via Rise. How do sim funded accounts work? They just give you a funded. You pay for it. How do you pay for Alpha futures? You pay with Stripe. So just any card works. All right. Yes, I have a code. If you're gonna get an Alpha futures account and you want to use my code is Gatie. GATIE, just my name. If you want to get the discount, you're mean. How am I mean? Can I use 130p03? Yes, that's what I do, Anitesh. That's what I do. It's just not today. I'm looking at FOMC today. At what point is it reasonable to try and pass a combine? When you feel ready, brother. No one else can tell you anything. It's simply when you feel ready. All right, we're going to minimize chats now. We got a lot of people in here. Going to minimize the chat. And set up the accounts. I cannot see chat anymore. If you have any questions, you can join the free Discord. For those of you who are planning on getting an alpha account and you want the discount, my name is Gatie. My name is Gatie, but you can use code Gatie. It'll give you like, I don't know what the discount is. I think they have 10% off right now. Or if you get the advanced account, there's no activation fee. But no more prop firm talk. It's time to lock in. It's almost 2:30 p.m. Eastern time. And I think we're gonna have to look for shorts. So we'll just have to go with that. I mean, yeah, we're gonna have a 15-minute bullish fair value gap. We can see what happens. Like, see if we take out this high or not. This high of day right here. Yeah, so I'm watching this 15-minute bullish. It's because it's been one-sided since 2 p.m. I do want to see that move lower. It's typically how FOMC prints. You get a fake move. You get a fake move and then you get a reversal. So I kind of want to see a manipulation higher and then something lower. But if order flow is bullish, I don't want to fight that. So just have to be a little patient here and see what happens going into 2:30. Obviously, if you're going to be trading this, there's going to be a lot of the candles are going to be large. So just be careful with your stop loss. You can't risk the same amount of contracts as always. It seems like opening Tradeovate is making my stream lag, so we're not going to trade Tradeovate today. Yes, you know what we can do. All right, hold on. Let's just do this. 1 sec. We're marking out 230 opening price as well. Yo, how many viewers do we have on TikTok right now? What Arabic country are you from? I'm Iraqi. Increase losses, everyone. Let's pass our account. That's funny, bro. All right, I'm gonna be minimizing chat now. So if you guys don't know the drill, when I trade, I don't have chat open. I like to focus, and if I keep chat open, I won't be focused. So. For those of you who don't know me, I live stream every single day at 9:15 a.m. Eastern time. I usually do not stream at this time. I usually stream at 9:15 a.m. for a morning session. But because it is FOMC today, I like trading FOMC. It's very volatile and it's a very risky day to trade, but I don't mind trading FOMC. You can get good risk to reward. I'm willing to put risk on. It's like more risk, more reward, and I'm happy trading it. Obviously, you can always size down if that makes you more comfortable. I'll be risking my regular personally. I'm just gonna look to risk 0.25% on the fundeds. So if you want to follow, subscribe, whatever, you want to tune into the daily live streams, 9:15 a.m. Eastern time is when I usually live stream. This is the only day of the month you'll watch me stream, like for guaranteed for sure on during PM session. Looks like we're gonna take high of day here. So yeah, I'm not really interested in taking any longs right now. I do want to see a reversal lower, so we're gonna have to wait for some price action to form, and we can look for something lower. We are probably gonna get an SMT. We'll see if ES catches up, or if we just get the SMT at high of day. And let's just mark up this fair value gap. So we took out the minor buy side right there. So how much are these candles in size? So 65 points. So let's say we hypothetically took something like that, 40 points, 2 micros. We're probably around a 2 micro trade. Let me switch to the micro here. Actually, I'm on the wrong. Right there, we're taking high of day. And this is just going to keep expanding and expanding. I don't see myself really catching a high probability trade setup, but we'll see. I would look for a protraction model. So both assets took high of day there. I do want to see lower. We'll see if we get previous day high. Previous day high is over here. And we'll go from there. Hopefully we get some nice delivery and speed and stuff. So first signs of bearish order flow would be an inversion of these fair value gaps. I wouldn't be able to short unless we get a CISD. So we'll have to wait for that. We're just watching how this candle prints. It's fast. low. Hypothetically, if we did take something like this, it's gonna be a 4 micro. I do want to see lower, but I can't marry that narrative, right? It's been bullish, so we did take out buy side. We have a 15-minute BISI below us. So like, I think we can at least trade into this level, but whether or not we go higher or lower from there, it's hard to say for now. So we'll just have to wait till it's more clear. I'm just looking to take one A+ setup. That's the goal. If we get a higher high and then a CISD lower, we can take that short as well. I wouldn't mind that because then we can just partial here and then see if we get more. That would be a really good setup. I wouldn't mind. So if we get something like this, I'd be happy taking a trade like that. Be something along the lines of 50 points. It'd be a 4 micro trade. We treat that as a bearish order block. Put the 15-second. I'm watching the 30-second here. I want to watch this next candle. Ideally, we take out the high there. So ideally, something like this forms. Something like this, then we can maybe short. That would be ideal. 2 minute. Yeah, we'll see. Had a pretty good day today. It was a pretty productive day. I'd have to partial out the 15-minute BISI delusional if I can catch that. Would I be comfortable shorting and holding? If we get a clean CISD, no, I probably wouldn't even be able to. I'm not that confident in lower draw just yet. Unless I get more confident in a draw lower, then I wouldn't mind shorting into a 15-minute BISI. Oh, I'm tripping, bro. I'm tripping. I thought we have 1,000 total views, not. I'm tripping, bro. We're trading Nasdaq. Okay, we're getting some consolidation here. Watching the 1450 macro. Go with orange. Yeah, looks pretty good. I don't like how slow this is now. It's pretty uneventful. How's the stock market? AMD, AMD with another green day is what I like to see. It's what I like to see. Up another 1% today. Oh, 2.5% actually. Wow, nice. All right. Fact we didn't take this high. Like for you to short this, you'd have to short and you'd have to partial at that low. And then maybe you get something like this, which I don't like. I don't like that. I mean, it's not bad. Be partialing at like a 1.3 R. I mean, say you took it at the low. Rather just wait. The reason I'm bearish is because of the daily. Like, I think the draw is still lower on the daily. And on a day like this, you'd want to see that previous day low. But it's not forming, right? If it was going to go lower, it'd start forming like right now. It might just be bullish, you know? I don't want to fade the order flow. So we're just going to have to wait and see, you know? I wouldn't mind taking a long like this because that would be very clear and obvious just following the bullish order flow towards previous day's high, right? That's a very clear and obvious trade idea. It's just I don't have a clear drawn liquidity yet. I still see it both sides, so I have to wait for it to be more clear. The only thing I can say is I think we'll probably trade towards this low that I marked out, and it'll probably trade to this imbalance. That's like the only thing I can really say. It doesn't have to, but probably will. What it does from there, not that clear for me right now. So just gotta wait. Not clear, you gotta wait. It's simple. Like maybe if we got the full CISD. What do we have running here? This shallow little narrow run lower makes me feel like it's bullish. Wasn't that fast, pretty weak. I think I have to probably align longs. The way this is printing looks like it'll probably make another higher high. Pretty close to previous day's high, 120 points. Let's just see. Right now I want to see it trade lower. Using no inefficiencies. Let's use this old imbalance. Now if we take out the high and break lower, that's a different story. That would be a different story. We inverse that gap, close above, concentrated encroachment, probably takes the high out. Gonna watch our price trades to this level. If it goes lower, if it just pumps and pumps and pumps, we missed it. I'm not interested. And it could do that, but I have to wait for a protraction model. Oh. If we take out this high and immediately start to displace lower, yeah, we can look very short. And we'd have to partial here. It'd be pretty slow. Usually it's a lot more volatile on this FOMC day. Pretty lame right now, if I'm being honest. Failure swing, could be interesting. Wouldn't mind seeing a failure swing here. Does anyone in chat watch the TV show Survivor? Fairly high. High got taken there. Maybe break committee? Yeah, I know. It was too close. It was too close. Yeah. It's good to look for it though, Sarvan. It's good to look for it. You're currently watching the new season, Robert? It's fire, right? I'm about to go to my girl's house today and watch it. Like Loki excited. You've been watching Severance? That's cool. You want to check it out? Check it out, bro. It's actually quite interesting. What session are you trading? This is PM session. Alright. We'll see how this next couple candles print. Like I said, I'm not really interested in buying it all the way up here in premium. If I was gonna long, it would have had to trade below. It's just way too high up for me right now. So I'm not interested in taking a long in premium. I don't mind shorting into discount, and I don't mind longing discount in this specific case, but we'll see, I guess. Why's my chair? Video. What is your strategy? I trade power of 3. Why do you trade pre-M and not market opens? No hate, just curious. I do trade. I usually trade 9:30. This is the only day I trade PM session. FOMC day, I trade PM. I don't trade morning. So for those of you who are tuned in and you're new, I usually stream every day at 9:15 a.m. Eastern time. I don't usually stream at this time, but today is an exception. It could be your first signs of bearish order flow, perhaps. We're getting closer to previous day's high. Pretty close. We got previous day London highs. Wait, it's not previous day high. It's previous day high. It's Tuesday's high. Oh, yeah. I'm tripping. All right, let's see. Had we taken previous days low, like maybe then this long would be a little bit cleaner, but looking like a nice buy model. It was pretty nice delivery there. Just way too early to enter this trade, but let's see how this prints. So almost inside the macro now. Trading into a 2-minute bullish fair value gap. We can watch how that prints. Could even be a candidate for a short if you're aggressive. Would have to inverse all the way down there. Looks like it might stay heavy. I am burning. Looking still pretty bullish. I want to see a move lower that we can get a good long from. We didn't get any bottom wick on 1430. It looks like it wants to go to previous day's high. Gotta be patient here. Don't want to force a trade. HOD stands for high of day. What is your UTC? UTC -4. It's Eastern time. I live in Eastern time, and this is market delivers in Eastern time. Maybe 3-minute BISI right there. See how that touches, closes. Ooh. Staying pretty heavy higher. AMD's almost up 3%. Can't complain about that. Definitely can't complain about that. I'm probably up 2% on the day in that position. All right, we're inside the macro now. Hopefully we see some more volatility now. Nice bearish close here. Could be pretty nice. Accumulating above an old high. I just keep going higher and higher. Boom, boom, boom. The breaker here is pretty nice, right? This breaker. I guess you could have found something there, but I did want to see it come a little bit lower. There's the buy side, short-term high. Previous day high is getting pretty close, 77 points. It's a very nice buy model, I will say. It's a very nice buy model. Yeah, this is a pretty good FOMC delivery, I'd say. Fair value gap's just way too high to be taking it, but we can mark it out. If you were to take something like this, you could maybe catch really good risk reward, but it's just way too high. We'll see previous day's high. Do I expect reversal after previous day's high? Not really. It really didn't retrace at all. Well, I did retrace, just not on the 15-minute. I guess this was your buy right here. You had to get in on this candle that formed the OB. Like this. That would have been my model if I was bullish at this specific time. Or more clearly bullish. What happened to myself? I don't know. You asking, bro? No, I'm not in a trade right now. Where can I get trade signals? I don't know. I'm bearish now. Bearish? People are bearish? Interesting. Go pick up a book. That's what I'm saying, bro. We didn't really take out any sell side, right? We just kind of. I mean, I guess we took out the minor sell side here from lunch. The AM low is still intact. We'll just have to see. We're close to previous day's high. Oh, we have S&T at previous day's high now. Let's see what that does. Do we start to displace aggressively lower? Or do we speed up, try to get the previous day high on NQ? Oh. Another 5-minute OB playing out. That's very beautiful, man. Like every single 5-minute. Very, very clean trend. Very clean trend. We have another 50-minute BISI here that we could potentially aim for. Why am I getting an email notification? Boom, 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 boom. Watching the next couple candles as we speed up towards previous day's high, or if we go slow. Myself, bro. Why are you asking me, bro? Model didn't really form, to be honest. I mean, you could have argued at 1442. It's not a plus for me. It's just way too high up. Yeah, you could have caught a nice move, though. You definitely could have caught a nice move, but it's just too high up for me, for my liking. I wouldn't say it's A plus. You're in long from this recent fair value gap. Yeah, it can still play. It can still play. If we're gonna go previous day high, right, then it's gonna play most likely. What are you waiting for now? Potentially reversal. I don't know. We only have an hour left. I wouldn't really expect a reversal. That's 266 points. Final hour. Possible. What's up, Real Chief? I think previous day's highs is possible, but it doesn't have to reach previous day's high, you know? It really doesn't. ES took previous day's high. I wouldn't mind looking for a short. Tough. It's pretty tough. It's not that clear for me, if I'm being honest. I don't want to look for a continuation long anymore because ES already took previous day's high. Or you could just long this fair value gap then if you want to. Even if the last 30 minutes are short of the hour, it's not going to be a reversal, you know? It's just going to be a move back into the range, and that's not what I'm looking for. If we just manipulated a little bit lower, then we could have been confident in this long, but we should deliver previous days higher. Boom, 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 boom. ES will likely reach Monday's high. And Q could also reach Monday's high. You never know. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, this looks like it's probably it, boys. To be honest, you could even hold this one until tomorrow if you really wanted to. AMD. Ooh, AMD's up 3.6% now. This is good. This is good. So I guess Tuesday's low week. Yeah, possible, I guess. We start seeing some bullish structure on the daily. We don't know what the final hour is going to do, but this looks pretty bullish. The previous day's high. Am I long here and accidentally only bought 2 micros? Okay. Almost there. What a nice delivery if you caught this long, huh? You probably felt no sweat. Just very clean. Every OB held. Every bullish fair value gap held. Just clean. Precision. We're almost at Monday's high on ES. Probably would expect it to reach there. I don't trade morning. I do trade morning, but not on this day. Usually I trade morning, so I'll see you guys 9:15 a.m. Eastern time if you want to come tomorrow. Genuinely, every single premium array got disrespected, and every single discount array was respected. Like, this is beautiful. Beautiful. Didn't really see a clean entry for me. Could have went long at 1441. I thought this was too premium. Then you start to quickly realize that everything here is too premium. Yep, there was a there was a classic. Yeah, one of my students actually took it and they shared it in, which is nice. I don't trade that time, right? But model still formed. It's not like the model doesn't work, right? It's still the same model. It's just a little bit lower probability because of the day you're trading on. Codian. I don't even know what more to say than, like, I think you gotta grow up, bro. Like, that's all I'm gonna say, bro. Right? Was looking for shorts and longs from the Gallo, nothing spotted, so no trades. Isn't this your Gallo? I thought Gallo was a wick that took out liquidity, and then 50% of that wick below the liquidity level. The wick 205. Buy low? That's your Gallo? Are you sure? You have an account and a PM account? Oh, I'd trade the same account, bro. Would it be stupid to go longs right now? I mean, I wouldn't, but you can if you want. Guys, whoa. I don't think that's what a Gallo is, bro. But I mean, I guess I see they really talked about it too much. So you got odd USD at the bottom. Nice, bro. Today was a pretty good trade. Yeah, this was pretty good. Can't lie. You just went long. Now it reverses, bro. GG's. We're almost at previous day high. Almost at previous day high. I should at least take previous day's high, in my opinion. 9% gain. Nice, bro. That protection on 3 minute was clean, but didn't take it. To this one right here. Yeah, this is not bad, man. Honestly, it formed. It formed. It did form. You cannot say it did not form. Can you make a living off trading? Nope, it's all fake, bro. I'm just doing it for fun. I just did the thing you told us once. What'd you do, brother? When you're sure that it will hit TP, just add contracts. Exactly, bro, right? Like, if you got in here, bro, click buy, bro. Like, you know what's going, man. Like, this is not a time to take partial. It is not a time to, like, you know, there, boom, TP hit, you know? Yeah, well, you're telling me from... Oh, exactly, Cairo. Good stuff, bro. Did your student cast the trade that was bullish? He took the classic double purge model in the 9:30 morning. I get it. Thanks again. I'm going to buy some books. I wouldn't buy books, bro. I'll just watch Inner Circle Trader on YouTube. I don't think you need books. Psychology books, maybe. But don't get those trading books, bro. I don't think you should get those. I don't see myself taking a trade here, guys. We missed the move, you know? We missed the move. You got to accept it, face it, suck it up. There's it. There it is. Like, this could be a... If you were going to partial, this would be your partial. ES can probably take previous day high. Take care, Cairo. Well done, brother. After I took the news yesterday and traded on a perfect setup, and the setup morning got stopped. There you go. Now you know. Good shit, Zay. That's good, my brother. Guys, do me a favor and explain to me what it is in your opinion. Or if you know, like, if you know for sure. I'm scared to start. I want to change my life and be in Dubai. Why are you scared, bro? You scared of failing? What's more scary, chat? What's more scary? Failing at trading or working the same job to make minimum wage and never have a freedom of life for 50 years? What's scarier? I'd rather fail at trading. GatieTrades, do you think people should have one entry model or multiple? You can do multiple. My girl making me dinner while I trade PM. Failing trading is way scarier than freedom than no freedom. I mean, if you like your job, it's a different story. I would argue then you're probably free, but it's all subjective, obviously. What do? I passed a challenge and got a risk interview. What's a risk interview? Under 18? That's okay, bro. You did more volume? Yeah, it was, I mean, not slow, but usually it's faster, yeah. 9:30 looks like it was bearish. How we took the double purge? No, double purge long, brother. How much you risk per trade on a 50K eval? 1%, brother. $500 per trade. I risk 1% on my evals. Or they have to interview me before they can give me contract. That's a weird firm, bro. I don't know what firm does that. Some weird stuff. Such a beautiful long. Could this be the end of the bearish market? I hope so. Because then we can secure some money on the live account. That would be nice. It's a low that failed to take a large wick. It's a low that failed to take a large wick. So a swing low that failed to take out a large wick. So wouldn't it be 1406? See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow, brother. Equity edge. You trade on challenge accounts? So 206 failed to take out 50% or failed to take out the low. And what signifies a large wick? What's a large wick? Like, say, a wick that has more wick than body? How do you get a name on the top of TradingView? It's an indicator. It's called AGFX watermark. You can put whatever you want up there. EF took out Monday's high there, so that would be like a full objective. Appreciate you guys. Appreciate you. I'll take them out after. A wick that's almost 20 points. So that's what large is. That's what I'm just saying. Like, what qualifies a large wick? Is 10 points large? 5 points? 17 points? 20? Is it 20? Is it fixed at 20 or is it 19? I'm just asking so I can start looking for it. I am bullish till we close above the weekly FEG. Yeah, I mean, this all could just be a retracement. But I will say, if we do get a nice bullish market structure shift here, it could be. I think we have SMT at the monthly low, right? Whoa, no one heard that, bro. We do have SMT at the monthly low, so well, we completely missed this long. It did become clear to us eventually, but at that point it was too far gone. We were not able to catch any longs. I did want to see a retracement into this fair value gap on the 15-minute time frame. It would have been trading below 1430. We could have caught a nice little AMD setup. It did manipulate lower. I just wanted to see manipulate a little bit deeper before distributing, but that did not happen, and then it started to go. Couldn't really find a high probability re-entry, so we missed the trade, but nonetheless it was a pretty good FOMC delivery. It's definitely pushing up the stock market, so that's always good. I guess we'll be till next time. Till next time. Holding till Monday high. I like it. I mean, you might be able to hold this forever, bro. I ain't even gonna lie to you. It's going towards previous week's high. Today, that's a pretty big move, maybe. How you get on so late? I just clicked go live. Wasn't too hard. I meant to buy. How was he bullish to take the long? I can review 930 if you want. It's classic AMD. Really? What was he bullish for? I don't know. I can ask him. Let's go see. Would I be bullish? I mean, it looks pretty bullish. We have London lows manipulated, distributed higher. We have a clear draw. Was this Friday's high or something? It's pretty clean to me. Oh, this is 830. 15-minute bullish. Probably looking something like that. Probably was looking for something like this, like the 15-minute bullish, I guess. I don't know. I didn't trade it, right? It was just him. I just clicked the live button. Nice. Take care, but think we reverse? Nah, that's a big reversal, bro. I don't know. OT and golden pocket, what's better? I don't know what the hell golden pocket is, but OTE is Fibonacci. Talking about like the golden level, the Fibonacci. 0.7, 0.015, like this. Maybe that's what, it's the same thing, I guess, then. 1 minute volume balance. Promise you. No, we reverse this big move. Yeah, I wouldn't look for a reversal. Could take a range model here if I wanted to, but nah. I wouldn't touch this. You good guys, take care, brother. I'm not gonna sit here and watch this, to be honest. I won't know. Maybe it'll reverse, maybe not. We took out Monday's high on ES. That was final objective. I personally wouldn't look for any shorts if I was trading this. Just look for a continuation. Maybe this 15-minute BISI. I don't know, however you want to view it. It could just go sideways now. Any ideas? No, that's it. I'm not even going to bother. It moved. How much did we move? Price moved 400 points. Did not take any trade. And that's it, you know. Would rather just trade tomorrow morning. Take care, Ryan. Take care, Ziki. EF took previous week high rank. You did, and maybe I can entry from FUG to it. Yeah, you could if you wanted to. EF didn't take previous week's high. It took Monday's high, but yeah, if you wanted to look for continuation long. Tomorrow gonna be bullish. Yeah, I'd expect tomorrow to be bullish. If we don't reach this level by today, I'd want to look for some sort of discount long towards this level tomorrow. Yeah. Till tomorrow morning. Take care, brother. Take care, my man. Well, I appreciate everyone coming through. If you're not in the Discord is completely free. If you want to tune in, we got a lot of people in there. I'll be live tomorrow. Tomorrow's Thursday, right? Oh, nice. We got 2 more days this week, though. Tomorrow's Thursday, so we'll be trading tomorrow, 9:15 a.m. Eastern time, and obviously Friday. probably gonna take the rest of the day off. No trade day for me today. What amount you risk on 50K rivals? It depends how aggressive you want to be. Personally, I risk 1% per trade on evals and then 0.25 on fundeds. Nope, no trade day for me. No trade day for me. I don't trade morning, and then we didn't catch anything in the FOMC, so we'll be trading tomorrow morning. See if we can trade something tomorrow. I appreciate everyone coming through. I will see you guys live tomorrow, 9:15 a.m. Eastern time. Take care, brothers. Peace, peace, peace. Yo, quick question. How long did it take for Topstep to send the money in Canada to? When I requested payout from Topstep, it took me like, the first one took me a week because I sent incorrect information. The second one pretty much happened in like a day, bro. Like not even a day. 2 days, 1 day or something. Like, it was pretty fast, the second one. Take care, brothers. Get that payout, gas. Get that payout. How much you risk on evaluation? Micros, bro. Micros. I don't trade minis. When did you get your first payout? My first ever payout was, I think it was March 2024. Yeah, March 2024. That sounds about right. All right. Take care, brothers. Peace, peace, peace.